first project is definitely getting the doors operating. So, problem I've got right now, I've got one screw in there, and I've got one in there, and I'm adding one right now. So I bought these from Wolfsburg West. Really good quality bits. So I am replacing all of these. That one actually can be removed, so I'm gonna get the other one in, then pull that one out. Problem is, this one I think is stripped. So I'm gonna try noise alert, trying to turn it into a fillet or a slot screwdriver. I'll keep trying. Drilling it out. It is on there good. Time for a hammer and a chisel. Now the question is if I've buggered up that hole so much that the new one won't go in. Here's hoping. All right, I'm going to chase some threads. I think I'm going to take the door off. That might work a little better. So if you look right back in here, that is what's left of the screw I drilled out. So fortunately, it does want to move, so I'm going to pull it out. You're looking right there. Normal, not so normal. Okay. Boom. That's gonna work. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing for the chunk down below and call it good. Then remount the door. When you work alone, you kind of have to figure out how to do it. FYI, It's 105 right now. So, I'm not going to fiddle with it right now, but it needs to swing up this way a little bit. So I'll probably have to do some adjustment with the hinges. It's just on more securely. It can open nice and even. I'm now going to do that side because it's entirely missing. Not a lefty. I do not have a functioning latch yet or a handle on the outside, but progress. All right, well, next